how to enable steamer mode on Discord. So if you want to enable or if you want to turn on the steamer mode on Discord, then first you need to open up your Discord application, or you can go for your browser and then go for discord.com and make sure to log into your account. So I'll be opening my Discord application and make sure to log into your account. And once you've logged in and once you've opened your Discord, now you can simply go for your left, which has that settings icon. Click on the user settings, and here you will have all of your user settings, right? So under your user settings, you can simply scroll down, and here you will have steamer mode. So click on steamer mode, and if you want to enable the steamer mode, then here on the right side of that option, you will have an option to toggle that on. So if you want to turn that on, simply click on it, and that's it, your steamer mode has been enabled. And here on the upper side, you can see that your steamer mode is enabled. So if you want to turn that off, then you can simply click on disable and your steamer mode will be turned off. So that's how you turn on, or that's how you enable your steamer mode on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.